What's going on, guys? It's your boy Zach, back with another video. We just got to Bear Lake, right behind me. It was only 250 feet from the start of the trailhead from the bathroom, so really easy hike. Alright guys, we just got to the first lake. It was probably about 20-minute hike, not too bad elevation wise, really easy, probably maybe 150, 200 feet elevation. So not that bad overall for how much you're walking.
There's a chipmunk.
Really close to Dream Lake. June 14th right now, and you can see how much snow it is in summer, or snow there is in summer. It is piled up, but it's beautiful. Beautiful views of the mountains and snow in June. All right, Zach. Okay guys, we are on our way to Lake Hyia, located in Colorado, and the Rocky Mountain National Park. Behind me, the very far lake is Bear Lake, which you guys pass when you guys take this trail. The closer one right there, the darker one, if you guys can see, the smaller one, is called Nymph Lake. It was the first lake on this actual trail. The other one's about 200 feet off. So this is the first lake on the actual trail.
All right, behind me over the tree line there, you can find Emerald and Dream Lake.
So we're gonna keep on hiking up. Let's go.
Oh, just kidding. That's a lot further.
So you see the giant patch of snow right there? Yeah, look in between.
It's currently raining on the way back to the buses. No worries though. Got my rain cover on. Callie has my rain jacket on.
Boom shakalaka.